human rights is at the forefront of our sustainability reporting is not because it is prompted by the reporting per se, but it emerged as a business imperative.
Human rights are integrated across our supply chain and our value chain. Therefore, I would say for sustainable development for us is a goal and human rights is an objective out of that.
I think the challenges that face companies, whether it's in India, Asia or the rest of the world, have certain common threads, and I think the smarter companies are the ones who will come together within the sector and also intersectorally to see how they can collaborate and pool their resources together.
In the garment supply chain, I think the low wages is a huge issue, and the low wages give rise to poverty, and workers are under stress, because of this poverty level wages. So one definite thing that companies can do is to increase wages to a living wage.
I think one of the most important thing that businesses in Asia have to do is first to address some of the legacy issues so that there is a lot more trust that's created that what we are talking is serious business in future.
First of all, they should move away from the attitude of being a benefactor in the supply chain, I think because they think that it is because of them that the workers are getting job and getting paid, otherwise they would be earning a pittance in the farm or in the village. I think the first thing that is they should move away, and then second is to engage with them at every level, be it at their own supply chain as workers and employees, and also as a community who is being affected or impacted or will be impacted in future because of their behavior in the community. So these are the two things that they should be mindful of while operating in South of Asia.